Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the device. Make sure it's unlocked and online because signing out touches account sync. Open the Google Photos app and look at the avatar in the top right to confirm which account is active. If you see multiple accounts, note which one you want to remove. You need your device PIN or Google credentials available for re-login or verification. Once done, tap the avatar now to expose the account menu and the account list. This begins the sign-out flow. You're now inside the account menu. Tap Manage Accounts on this device or Settings to reach the sign-out controls. Select the account you want to remove, then choose Remove Account or Sign Out. Different Android versions label it differently. When prompted, read the warning. Removing an account stops sync and may delete offline data. Confirm removal. The device might ask for your PIN or Google password, so enter it. Wait for sync to finish and for the app to refresh, then verify the account is gone. Finish by reopening Google Photos and checking the avatar. It should change, show a sign-in button, or list a different account. If the account still appears, try clearing the Photos app cache and device settings, then force stop and reopen the app. Reboot the device if necessary. For persistent cases, go to Device Settings Accounts and remove the Google account globally. This ensures Photos loses access. If you must, sign back in deliberately, otherwise you're done. One tip: enable backup before removing to avoid data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.